Welcome to Word to Your Mother blog. I'm Heather Burnett. Here you'll find a lot of keto recipes because I had a lot of weight loss success with the keto diet twice. I lost 100 pounds after my first child in 2000, and then I gained it back. And so like another 100 pounds. And then I lost it again because I found myself in a deep, dark depression that really caused me to stay on the left-hand side of the bed with a bunch of Cheez-Its and Coke. So if you're trying to lose weight, I feel you. I know where you are. It's not easy. And every time I see an easy weight loss tip, I'm thinking, oh, great, here comes the liar. But I had success with the low-carb keto diet. And the reason why I'm saying low-carb and keto diet is because a lot of times people get it mixed up. Keto is when you have 30, you've got to check your macros, but 30 carbs or less per day. That's pretty tough. It's doable, you can do it, but it's not easy. Low carb is where you just kind of cut out bread, pasta, most of your carby stuff, and it's 50 carbs per day or less. So it's some people find that a little bit more manageable. The best thing to do if you're trying to lose weight is to find what works for you, because there is no one diet for every single person. If there was, there'd be somebody out there making $1 million off of it. A little bit about me. I obviously from the South. I'm in Mississippi. I have 3 children. One is 18, one is 11, one is 7, and he has autism. So when it comes to the Pinterest perfect house, I love to pin, but it's really not my reality. The reality here is a lot of crazy, but also a lot of happy. We don't believe in trying to be normal. I gave up on normal. I think I was in 5th grade. I tried to be normal one time, and it didn't work out for me at all. So what you're going to find here is resources for free that are legitimate. If you're looking to start the keto diet, I will show you how you can do that. I will tell you what you can get at the grocery store. I will tell you how you can meal plan. I will tell you the best recipes. Some of them are mine, some of them aren't. But they're good recipes that you can do easily. You'll find some weight loss motivation and some fun stuff, just because life's not all about a diet. And like I said, legitimate information. There may not be another overanalyzed, overthought blog on the internet. I have a little problem. So I'm not going to give you any information that I wouldn't pass on to my best friend or my daughters, because it's just not what I'm about. I think that's it. Let's see I'm going to do the greatest hits, if you will, and I'll link those up below just in case you're brand new here and you're really looking for, okay, look, Heather, shut up, let's get started. I feel you. I understand. I'm on that page sometimes too, but sometimes you might want more information. I got you covered. Okay, so if you're just getting started and you want a bunch of recipes and also a little bit of background on the keto diet, as well as foods you should avoid, the foods you should eat, really just kind of a keto 101 type situation, then I've got that in a 30-day meal plan. I'll link that up below. Let's see, I also have a 7-day meal plan, the Hungry Girl's Guide, because let's get real, we're hungry. Want to lose weight, but I mean, hey, hello, food. We love it. Love it. Okay, then breakfast. Got to have that, or not if you're going to intermittent fast, but that's another thing. Okay, just hang on. If you're new, chill. All right, we've got 16 easy breakfast recipes that are really good, and literally they are easy. Casseroles. Hello. Let me tell you, I'm from the South. Every event has a casserole. I mean, yeah, there's the funeral casseroles. I'm busy, I don't want to throw something together for family dinner casseroles. And then there are the just insanely, I'm addicted to casseroles. So I'm going to link that up because those are fabulous. And let's see, crock pot, Instant Pot, easy, put it on, leave. Not so much with the Instant Pot, but crock pot recipes are probably a lifesaver. Never mind, they are a lifesaver, especially if you're cooking for a family. You can throw it in the morning, and when you come home, dinner's done and you feel like Martha Stewart. So there's that. And let's see, I think I'll also mention the food list, because a lot of times when you go to the grocery store, you panic, you don't know what to get, you don't know what to select, what meat, what chicken, organic, farm raised, I don't know. This will help you out with that. So I'm going to link up to that too. And again, thank you for being here. Welcome. Please introduce yourself in the comments. Please tell me some questions that maybe I haven't answered, because I would love to answer your questions and I would love to help. Okay. I have to introduce you to Posey, because she's a big part of my life now. So this is important. Come here, Posey. Come here. You got it. People need to see you. You can't see you. Come here. Here we go. All right, come on up. Oh, you're getting so big. This is Posey. She's my golden retriever. Say hey. So, she's a part of this too. You know, because why not? It's a puppy. Hello, puppy. Love you. Now go gnaw on something. All right.